enthusiasts to a journey that promises to unlock the true power and potential of Linux. Today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of an open source innovation with a live USB exploration that will leave you in awe of the possibilities that Linux brings to the table. Linux, the epitome of freedom and customization, has long been the choice of the tech-savvy and the adventurous. But what if I told you that you can experience the sheer might of Linux without committing to a full installation? Just enter the world of live USB. Before we do the live USB running Linux, we need to use Balena Etcher to flash our USB or flash drive. Balena Etcher is used for flashing Linux is simply the purpose of creating bootable media, making it accessible for users who may not be familiar with more complex command line tools. You see in the video the easy step-by-step way of flashing USB using Balena Etcher. But you need to download Linux Mint in order to import it on the Balena Etcher. Now the USB is now flashing. Let's just wait it to totally flash.
Many hours later.
Now the Balena Etcher are now validating it, and let's just wait it to fully validate it.
A few moments later.
Now it's time for finishing. And that's it. The USB are completely flash. So in that manner, we will start in doing the live USB running Linux. So just X this Balena Etcher, and to your web browser, search how to access the BIOS of your certain devices. In my way is my laptop. Specifically, my model is Acer Swift 3. So here, it provides me two way, but I will do the second way. Let's just X the browser and let's go to settings. Then in settings, go to system. Then go to recovery. And then advanced setup, then restart now. Let's just wait for our PC to restart.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now we will go on to this page of choose an option. You will go to troubleshoot, then advanced option. Then go on UEFI firmware, then restart. Let's wait for our PC to restart.
A few moments later.
Now we are on our BIOS, the setup utility. Just use move arrow bottom to go to boot, then use F5 and F6 to change the position of those boot priority order. I prioritize the USB, which is the Kingston, so I use F6 to move up. Then F10 to save and exit. Let's just wait for the PC to restart. In here, just select the first one and hit enter. In here, do not press any key and just wait for the Linux to run.
A few inches later.
Now we are on the desktop page of our Linux. Just wait it to completely respond. Now this is the real design of the Linux desktop. So let's try to explore the Linux by going to the file explorer. And you can see here the different directories of the Linux. Different file. In here in computer, you will see Kingston. That is here there are the files that we inputted the USB, which is the main laptop. Let's try to go to web browser and let's try to YouTube. It also gives the same functionality as the Windows. Let's try to watch a video in Linux in YouTube. Let's try to use Google. I want to search Linux. Here, I can see the information of the Linux, etc., etc. And that's all what we explore and discover in Linux. To end this live USB running Linux, we need to go to shutdown and click shutdown. Then let's wait. In here, there's a text saying remove the USB, then enter. Now the PC or the laptop is shut down. And that's all in doing the live USB running Linux. In conclusion, as we witness the might of Linux, not as a distant fortress for the tech-savvy few, but as a dynamic force ready to empower and inspire. So go ahead, grab a USB, unleash the power of Linux, and join the ever-expanding community that embraces freedom, innovation, and endless possibilities. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us. The world of Linux is yours to explore, and the adventure has just begun. Until next time, remember, Linux isn't just about operating system. It is an experience, and it is awaiting for you to make it your own. Stay empowered, stay curious, and happy exploring. Thank you.